This is question for MCQ class 10th maths from quadratic equation. Question is, if the path traced by the car has zeros at -1 and 2, then it is given by, means the path will be given by, these are the options, which polynomial. Okay, now sum of zeros is -1 plus 2, so it will be 1. Product of 0 will be -1 into 2, that is -2. So path will be given by x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots, and this will give you x square minus 1 into x minus 2, because 1 is the sum of roots, so minus was there, so -1 into x. Product of root is -2, so -2. So option C is the correct option. This is your option C. 2022 it has been asked. Question next. The number of zeros of the polynomial representing the whole curve is, so earlier also I have discussed this, that number of 0 will be those points which will be intersected with x-axis with the curve. Okay, curve and intersection of x-axis will be called the number of zeros. So how many points this curve is intersecting at x-axis? This is 1 point, this is second point, this is third point, this is fourth point. So 4 will be the number of 0. So here your option A is the correct option, A. Okay. Now next question. The distance between C and G is, these are the options, and this is the figure given for that. Now here G is the point whose coordinate is 5. There is a point, E is a point whose coordinate is 2. There is a origin, there is a C point whose coordinate is -1. There is a A point whose coordinate is -3. There is a origin O. So this is a diagram of a particular curve which is intersecting the x-axis at A, C, E and G. You have to find the distance between C and G. So clearly C is having coordinate -1 and 0. G is having coordinate 5 and 0. So -1, 0 and 5, 0. Normally also you can find that distance is 6, because from 0 to, this is 5 unit, and from here there is 1 unit. Negative sign we don't take because distance we don't have the sign, use of the sign. But if we use coordinate geometry, then coordinates -1, 0 for C, G for 5, 0. So CG distance formula, square root of difference of x coordinates, that is 5 minus -1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So this will be 6 square, because this 0 is 0. 6 square means square root of 6 square is 6 unit. So answer is 6. So option B is the correct option.